Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is 12 o'clock in Honolulu, 6 o'clock in New York on Wednesday, 10th day of April, 2024, and this is the evening report for gold and silver. Traders, today the government released its most current numbers on inflationary pressure vis-a-vis the CPI, Consumer Price Index, and the Federal Reserve released minutes from the last FOMC meeting. This dramatically shaped market sentiment. We are looking at a daily chart of the U.S. dollar. The dollar was up over 1%, 1.04%, taking the index to 105.25. Dollar strength had a direct correlation to gold's weakness today, with gold trading lower in New York and Globex prior to Australia opening up by $14 or 0.59%. That took gold futures to close at $2,348.40, and it is up $3.50 or so from the close during the morning session. Now that greatly differs from what we saw today in silver. In the morning session, silver gave up 22.5 cents, 0.80%, and is trading below the close now that it is opened in Australia. An additional 10.5 cents, taking an ounce of silver in the July futures contract to $27.94.5. As far as both gold and silver aligning for our next trade, as you know, I've been hoping for a dip in the marketplace to get in at a much more favorable price. The question is, will we see gold consolidate, have a shallow correction, which would take gold to approximately 2,300, or could we see a deep correction? And that's what we have to ascertain over the next couple of days. My initial read on today's price decline is that we won't see a deep correction, meaning gold going to 2,200 or 2,184. That is the 61.8% fib retracement, but rather either consolidate, trading sideways, or if there is more selling pressure, going as low as $2,300 per ounce. I would welcome that as a favorable entry to our next long gold trade. Of course, once we issue that trade alert, we will send that out via SMS, text message, and email. As far as silver goes, I am less confident that we would see silver trade sideways before moving higher than gold, in that if we see a continuation of equities trading under pressure, the industrial component of silver could add continued downside bias for silver. Therefore, traders, let's let the dust settle for a day, see if gold wants to drift lower, and if it does, where it can potentially find support before entering our next gold trade. And depending on how silver trades over the next day or so, make a decision whether we're going to send a trade alert out at the same time in regards to our next silver trade. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.